Have you ever opened your app launcher only to find that your app icon is missing? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If this sounds like you, stick around because today we are going to solve the mystery of the missing app icon. I completely understand how annoying it is when you've put in all that hard work to create an app and then the icon just doesn't show up. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this issue, and it can be tricky to pinpoint the cause. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "My icon is not shown in the launcher, and I can't figure out where the problem could be." They provided their manifest file, which we will analyze together to find the solution. So, what could be causing this issue? There are a few common culprits, such as incorrect manifest settings, missing icon resources, or even issues with the launcher itself. We'll break it down step by step to identify the problem. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of headaches in the future. First, the user should check the icon resource in the manifest file. The icon should be correctly referenced in the application tag. Let's ensure that the icon attribute points to the right resource. Next, the user needs to verify that the icon files are present in the mipmap folders. They should check that all required sizes such as HDPI, XHDPI, and XXHDPI are included. Now, the user should confirm that the intent filter is correctly set up in the manifest. The intent filter should include the action and category for the launcher. Finally, the user can clean and rebuild the project. This step ensures that any changes made are properly applied and that the launcher icon appears as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps didn't even have icons? They were just text-based. Thankfully, we've come a long way since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests ensuring your icons are placed in the mipmap folder correctly. They also recommend using the image asset tool to import your icon. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests modifying your manifest file. They recommend removing the current intent filter for the login action and replacing it with a main action intent filter. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests deleting or replacing the mipmap NEDPI v26 folder. This could help resolve the issue of the icon not appearing in the launcher. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One alternative solution comes from another user who suggests checking the location of your icon resource. They mention that your IC launcher might be in the drawable directory instead of the mipmap directory. Now let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that you should change the intent of your launcher activity. Specifically, replace the action android.intent.action.login with android.intent.action.main. Additionally, ensure that you have an icon named iclauncher.png in your mipmap folder. If the icon still doesn't appear, try cleaning your project build and uninstalling any existing version of your app before reinstalling the new version. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your manifest and resource files after making changes. This simple habit can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. And there you have it. Your app icon should now be visible in the launcher. Remember, attention to detail is key in app development. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle common app launch issues.